welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you never buy a pool pump. This is my Shiru saying hello to everyone. At this moment I'm going to show you how my pool pump is working. It just keeps dragging. It takes forever to clean my pool. And after watching this video, you're never going to buy a new pool pump. You're going to know how to fix it, how to make it work. And let me show you how the pool pump looks at this moment after fixing it. You will see the comparison. Shiru is telling me that, Dad, you are talking about the pool, why don't you talk about me? Shiru, this video is not for you. This video is for the pool, right? Okay, let's move on. Okay, come on, go. As you can see, this is how the pool pump is working at this moment. From here, going all the way, it's gonna take forever. It's almost 1 hour, the pool pump hasn't moved. It's only moved like 1 feet. After fixing it, watch how it's gonna do. This is the pool pump. As you've seen, if it's not working, you're going to throw the pump away and you're going to buy the new one. No, don't buy a new one. These are the feet. You need to replace it. I already replaced 3 of these. This is the 4th one. On these 3, it was easy. They were totally worn out. They had only this pieces were left. I just used a small screwdriver. I just pulled those out. So this one is easy. You just pop this out. It will come out. And as for the orientation, you cannot do mistake because one side is bigger, other side is smaller. Same thing with this one. You cannot put this way because big, small. You need to go on a bigger side and the smaller side. Once you put it in, then you press it down. Make sure that it's seated properly. After replacing this, you will see the performance. So we're going to insert the hose. As we insert it, we're going to submerge the pool pump. Once it's go down, it will be start working, and then I will show you the performance. This is after the fix. Awesome. Travel from one side to this side of the pool. Look at the speed of the pool pump. So as you've seen it, nicely working. It was very easy and a simple fix, and I hope this video will help you out in your DIY project. You don't need a pool mechanic to fix this. You don't need a new pump to fix your pool pump. You need your old existing pool pump. Make it look new. You've seen the performance. Before it wasn't moving hardly. For 1 hour it was sitting right there. So if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to see more videos of my beautiful, my lovely boy, Shiru, then click the bell notification. And Shiru going to say hello to everyone and thank you for watching, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.